Sawadee welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I'm going to show you how to make another fantastic sauce which is Nam Jim Mu Grob or the sausage juice served with crispy pork. This is my third favorite sauce and if you have missed the two favorite sauce that I have made earlier, so just go to the link above there. And for this sauce we are going to need Chinese 5 spices powder, cinnamon, star anise, salt, black pepper, palm sugar, coriander root, half a cup of water, and we're going to start with roasting the spices. And when these spices release a nice fragrance, you just add the palm sugar into the pan. And when the palm sugar turns brown, then you can add the water. This boiling process is going to be quite quick, so make sure you stir it and make sure the sugar won't get burnt. And last step, you just season it with a bit of salt and black pepper. Okay, so now the sauce is ready to be served with the crispy pork. So please try this at home. You can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share and tell your friend that you have to try this. For today, have a spicy day. Bye bye!